Hey guys, so you'll notice in the latest video that there's no drone footage. And here's the quick reason why. A buddy of mine saw the drone flying over a parking lot of his business, and he called me up and asked me if it was me. And I said, yeah, nice vet, by the way. Why don't you do a nice burnout and I'll get it on tape? So he did. But having not planned this, I had to back the drone up to try to get some footage. And I backed it up right into a tree. It is 100% intact. Props to DJI for the Mavic. It didn't hurt it. It actually got stuck in the tree. I had to climb up. It broke some props. The props are really cheap as far as replacement costs. So I replaced all the props, and she'll be back for the next video. So, as always, be safe out there.